Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri. Today in this video, we are talking about dictionary inside dictionary. I mean the last part of the dictionary nesting. If you remember, I have posted last two videos. The first one was list inside dictionary and a dictionary inside a list. So this is a little bit looks like complicated but pretty simple. As you can see, we have straight as many of the dictionary as you want inside the dictionary, and it is the representation of another powerful data type in the Python programming language. We can nest the dictionary, as it said, nesting the dictionary inside another, but sometimes the code can get complicated. That's why we have to take a step-by-step approach, something like that. So the instructors over here is a collection of dictionary plus collection of the instructors. Okay, so last time we only deals with the instructor first name, last name, and the course. So here we have more key value pairs, as you can see, that consist of the key and value pairs. So as a whole, if you see, this is the key and this is the values. We say, and those values also consist of keys and the value. So it's a nested in the sense that we have keys and values inside the values. That's why it's termed as the nested. We define a dictionary instructor with keys. You can see instructor 1 and instructor 2. The value associated with each key is another dictionary. So that's what the value associated with each key is another dictionary. You can see the curly braces is used to represent the dictionary, like we have seen the bracket used to represent a list data type, and small bracket used to represent a tuple data type in a Python. For fetching part, we use the same dot items method that we have used before, that returns the keys and values. So we have two separate variables to hold the key values pair. So the instructor number, so we directly print the inside the main loop as the instructor number. For the instructor info, that now we use to access the inner dictionary. So something like this, with the help of the instructor info, we start accessing the inner dictionary, and then we can combine whatever we have accessed as a full name for the first name and last name, and the course name that we have extra. More clear will be after you see the programs, but for now just understand that we have nested the dictionary, and inside one dictionary we have used another dictionary, which is a powerful data type dictionary nesting in Python. The program is here. The previous program, the first one was a list of dictionary inside list that we talked in our previous video. The second one was list in dictionary, that has another one, the list in a dictionary we talked before. So the today one is the third one, what we say, dictionary inside a dictionary. Same approach, I have defined the function using a def keyword d for the dictionary. I have used the same keywords dictionaries to define the instructors, that has a collection of instructor 1, 2. It doesn't mean that you can have only two instructor. You can add as many as instructor, and you can add as many as the key value pairs you want. But for now I have only added the first name, last name, and the course to represent keys and the values pairs. So these are the three keys and the three values inside the nested dictionary. For the fetching part, it's same. We have used the items method. If you don't remember the items method, please go back and see how it can be used to fetch the keys and the values from the dictionary. So instructor number, that prints the instructor number, and then I have fetched the first name and the last name, starting for the inner dictionary. That means the inside one, the F name, L name, and the course. And the only thing is that I have combined that as a full name, first name plus last name, that combined, and the course use the same approach. So the F over here is a F string used to fetch that value. If you don't know about the F string also, please go back and watch my previous video. I have talked there about the F string, so many comments about that, and at the end I have printed that with the instructor number and then instructor name and the course. So the only thing here, I have used dot title method. You already know dot title prints in the title case. Dot upper I have used for the uppercase for the course number, like dot lower for the lowercase. That are the inbuilt function. Like main part I have just called the dnd, that is the function call for 3. Let me run it quickly so that you understand. We have the output over here. You can easily see that. So the instructor 1, the first name was David, last name was Blighty. Instructor 2, first name was Smith, the last name was Meter. So instructor 1 giving us the first name, and instructor 2 as a David Blighty, and instructor 2 as a Smith. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.